want y'all to see all of the hair, but I don't want to slouch and stuff, but okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Choerline, and today I'm gonna give you guys a quick, literally like quick review on this hair that I've been rocking for the past like 2-3 weeks now. You guys, like, it looked like it's my hair, right? So okay, I don't know where to start. Like, okay, so I recently took out my braids because I had braids in my hair, right? And the braids like really damaged my hair, where a lot of my hair fell out. I have like bald spots. Yeah, so atrocious. Like my hair is falling out and stuff like that. So now I'm like on a road to repairing my hair. I purchased all these products and I'm like giving my hair the love and care that it deserves. But in the meantime, I was like, I want to do something. I wanted something big that's like, yes, like, who is she? Something I haven't done before, right? So I'm like, I want to try like a kinky curly wig. So I was doing all of my research, looking through to see like where I can purchase it from. I looked through AliExpress because that's always the first place I'm gonna look. I ain't gonna lie. But then I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna get the right one on AliExpress. And I was like, I don't know, I don't want to be waiting too long, even though like shipping is like what, 3, 4, 5 days tops with AliExpress. But I was like, I don't know. So I'm like, the girls are always trying Amazon, so let me go ahead and go on Amazon to see what they got. So when I went on Amazon, I was scrolling through, and I'm like, you know what, I want something that just screams like boom, like she's here. Like
I said, I want something big. I want something that says I'm here.
I found like the perfect, you guys, like let's give this hair a slow-mo real quick. She is giving. So I found like the perfect hair. I was like, oh my gosh, this is it. I'm going to link it down below. I purchased it from Amazon. This is a Kiki Beauty Afro Kinky Curly V-part wig with minimal leave out. It's 200% density. I was like, oh my gosh, this is like 3C 4A. This was like a 16 inch, right? I paid like 80 something, like 80, it was like $70-80 for it. But the other day during the Amazon Prime thing, it went down to like $63. I was like, but I didn't do it. I was like, okay, I'm being good. But you guys, I'll insert like a video of how the hair first looked when I got it. Like when the hair first came, like the true natural beauty of the hair when it first came was like beautiful. But it was like a natural, like like a 2, like a natural color, but closer to a 2 than it would to my natural hair texture. So I went ahead, I wore it out for like 2 days in this natural texture, and it was giving natural Lisa. Like you couldn't tell me that wasn't my hair unless I told you. Even my mom believed it. She's like, I could have bought you products to make your hair come out better. And I'm like, she thinks this is my real hair. I went ahead and I purchased like hair dye. I dyed the hair natural black, and I also dyed my leave out natural black. So this is my hair right here, my little damaged hair, and it just blends in so effortlessly with the wig, right? After I dyed it, like when you wash it out the first time, like the hair comes like long, like it gives you like that wavy, you know, that curly hair like the girls be wearing. But I'm like, that's not what I want. I want it to remain in this kinky, afro kinky type. So then I looked at Miss Naturally, I'll insert it below. I watched one of her videos on how she usually wears, because she's the queen of, listen, when she be wearing these hairs, I'll be like, girl, this, you can't, can't nobody tell you that's not your hair, because she does a really good job at it. Miss Naturally Mary, I think she changed her name. So I looked at some of her videos, purchased the products to do my hair, but when I did it, I was like, I don't really like it. I was like, this is not the texture I was looking for. So I washed the hair again and let it air dry, and I didn't put any products in it. And once I did that, it gave me like these beautiful curls, but it still didn't go back to its original texture. So I was like, dang, I should have never dyed the hair. I should just dye my hair. And so I washed it like a third time again to make sure. And then once I washed it and I installed it, it was like long, like right here. And I was like, no, I don't want that. It's like weird length. So I was just going around, you guys, and I just like cut. I was like doing little snippets here and there, and I just like poofed it up like this. And then I was like, okay, this looks a little bit more natural-ish in my opinion, you know, as natural could be. And I was like, okay, so then I just do like a little leave out right here, which isn't really that much, you guys. So this is the clip. I'm gonna show you guys right here. This is the clip, and this is where my hair is. So like, this is how much of my hair is left out here and right here in the middle. And then I just go ahead and like blend it into it, as you can see, to the best of my ability. But this is what the hair is looking like now after I've dyed it, and it is a U-part. So literally, you guys, I just unclip, hang it up, and then clip it back up and put it in when it's time for me to go. If you want to leave like hair out on the side, you can, to make it look more natural. But like, I'm like, I'm not gonna say I'm lazy, but I'm lazy. So I'm like, that's too much, and my hair fell out. So like, I ain't got no edges, I ain't got no more hair. Yeah, I'm so sad. But the goal for my natural hair is to get to this level right here of just fullness. Like, this is goals, baby. So I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. Like, I don't know what the back looking like, but you could see I didn't put any products in the hair. Most products I put is in my hair, so if I twist it, it might catch, but I didn't put anything. I don't put mousse, I don't put anything in the hair. I just wash it using the Aussie, the shampoo and the conditioner, and let it air dry. And then once it's dried out, I use my hands, maybe like a comb, a wide tooth comb, or a little bit of the brush, just to give it like that little poofed out look. But other than that, you guys, I don't put no products, because I didn't like how it looked with products. Because I'm like, if this is what I wanted, I would have just purchased like the hair that looks like that. This is what I wanted. But when the hair first came, that was like the beautifulest hair ever. I was like, oh my gosh, I love it. This is gonna look like my hair. But you guys, people literally will come up to me and be like, this is all your hair? You know, I'm a child of God. I try. I was like, as much as I want to say yes to y'all, I'm like, it's a combination, it's a concoction of my hair, it's a mixture, okay? But I'm like, nah, girl, it's a wig. You see, boom. you know how we be so quick to tell people when they ask you if that's your hair, but like, no, girl, it's a wig. Do you not see this right here? This is definitely like tension free on my hair. I'm able to take care of what's underneath my head, and I don't have to sleep with this. I don't have to really do too much. Just trying to blend my hair really. So far this hair has been giving me life. This is perfect for the summertime where it gets like super duper hot. Like, it's not touching me like that, so I don't have to really do much. I don't gotta put heat. I don't have to do nothing. Just wash it once a week or once every 2 weeks or so, let it air dry, and then boom, put it in my head the next day. I also took some of the tracks out, you guys. I took some of them out. I used this little razor, eyebrow razor thing, and then I took like 2 or 3 tracks out, and I also cut it, and it's still full. But I definitely would recommend, if you're looking for something that mimics your natural hair, definitely. That is pretty much it. If you want to see how I got this look right here, definitely subscribe to your girl so you can see how I got this little look right here. That, you know, let me know if y'all feeling it or not. I did say it was 16 inches, cut it down, 200% density. I paid like $83 for it. They do have different lengths, so they have like a 16 inch, I think they have an 18, and I think they have a 20, but 16 was perfect for me. 16 is the lowest length that they have for this, for the company that I purchased it from. So they're saying it's a V part. It's more like a U part to me than it is a V. So yeah, like, cause it's right here. That's not a V, that's a U. This is a V. This is a V, right? This is a U. So yes, you guys, this is the piece that your girl has been rocking, and it has been giving me life in the most abundantness. Okay, I will definitely leave it down below. If you are interested in purchasing this hair, you can definitely do so and check it out on Amazon, look at the reviews and etc. But that is pretty much it, you guys, for this quick vibe on this hair, giving you guys a quick detail on this hair and this hair review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of me on your timeline, make sure you are subscribing to your girl, and like I always say, put God first and you will never be last. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.